So here on my whiteboard I have 2 dots. If I want to join my 2 dots together, I'm going to need 1 line. This time I'm going to start with 3 dots. And if I want to join each dot to every other dot, I'm going to need to draw 1, 2, 3 lines. Every dot joined to every other dot. This time I'm going to have 4 dots, and if I want to join each dot to every other dot, I need to be a bit more careful this time. So we've got 4 lines so far, but these ones diagonally are going to have to be joined as well, so watch out for those. So altogether there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lines to join our 4 dots together. So every dot is joined to every other dot. Okay, now we're going to try and do it with 5 dots. So I'm going to draw my dots spaced out like this on my whiteboard. I've got 5 dots, and because we've got more dots we're going to have more lines, and so we're going to do this one in a more systematic way. So I'm going to start with this one at the top. I'm going to number it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, just so you can follow what I'm doing. And I'm going to join dot 1 to dot 2. I'm going to join dot 1 to dot 3, join dot 1 to dot 4, and dot 1 to dot 5. So dot 1 is now joined to each of the others. Now I'm going to go to dot 2. It's already been joined to dot 1, so I don't need to draw that line again, but I do need to join 2 to 3. Then I'm going to go back to 2 and join it to 4, back to 2 and join it to 5. So we've done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 lines so far. Now I'm going to join 3 to 4. That's 8 lines. 3 to 5, 9 lines. And all we have to do is 4 to 5, because 4 has already been joined to all the other numbers. So that was 10 lines altogether that we needed to join up our 5 dots, and it makes a nice star. Okay, it's easy to miss these out, especially if you don't use a systematic way, but if you start at 1 and join 1 to every other number, then move round to 2 and join that to the rest, 3 and join that to the others, and then 4 to 5, it makes it simpler. Okay, we're going to do 6 dots this time, and we're going to use a similar approach. So I'm going to draw 6 dots, all spaced out on my whiteboard. I'll number them again just so you can follow what I'm doing. You can do that if you want to, but you don't have to. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I'm going to start by joining dot 1 to each of the other dots. So 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 1 to 4, 1 to 5, and 1 to 6. Now I'm going to move around to dot 2 and join that to every other dot. So 2 to 3, 2 to 4, 2 to 5, and 2 to 6. 3 to 4, 3 to 5, 3 to 6, 4 to 5, and 4 to 6. And then all we've got left is 5 to 6, and that's all of our dots joined to all of our other dots. So that is the end of sheet 6A. Scan the other QR code to have a look at the next bit.